Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of long division. Our first example problem is 728 divided by 2, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So the operation of division focuses on figuring out how many groups of a smaller number we can fit into a larger number. So ultimately for this problem, we want to figure out how many groups of 2 we can get into 728. But if we count if we just count by 2s and count all the groups that would fit into 728, that would take forever. So we want to break it down digit by digit if possible. So we are going to start off looking for the number within the number, dividing by the smallest digit possible. Now, the only rule is the number inside the square has to be equal to or bigger than the number outside the square. So 7 is bigger than 2, so we can start out with 1 digit by 1 digit division. So I'm going to start out with 7 divided by 2. I got to figure out how many groups of 2 go into 7. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to skip count. I'm going to count by 2s. 2, that's 1 group of 2. 4, 2 groups of 2. 6, 3 groups of 2. Now if I count by 2 again, I'll be at 8, and 8's too far. 8 would be past the number 7, but I was able to get 1, 2, 3 full groups of 2 within the number 7. So we were able to get 3 full groups of 2 within 7. And there is going to be a remainder here. The closest we could get to 7 without going over it was 6. So 6 is what we subtract to find our remainder. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Next, we're going to bring down the 2. That 1's going to become a 12. Now we got to figure out how many groups of 2 go into 12. So again, we're going to count by 2s. 2, that's 1 group of 2. 4, 2 groups. 6, 3 groups of 2. 8, 4 groups of 2. 10, 5 groups of 2. 12, 6 groups of 2. So we ended up counting by 2s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times to get to 12. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now, since 12 is the number we landed on, we landed right on 12. 12 is what we subtract to see if there's a remainder. 12 minus 12 equals 0, so there is no remainder there. Next, we bring down the 8. 8 divided by 2, we got to figure out how many groups of 2 go into 8. So counting by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we ended up having to count by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get to 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. When we skip counted, 8 was the last number we landed on, so that's what we subtract to see if there is a remainder there. Eight minus 8 equals 0. There is no remainder, and we have our final answer. 728 divided by 2 equals 364. All right, that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.